Hello everyone, how are y'all doing today? I hope y'all can see that there is a whole lot of birds up in this tree. Some kind of white, I don't know, cranes maybe? But isn't that just awesome? Look at them. I hope you can see them. One way up there, look. Beautiful. Another one still up there. They're everywhere. How awesome is that? There's beauty everywhere. Y'all, that noise y'all hear is a spillway. That was amazing. Going. If y'all know what kind of birds those are, let me know. They're probably migratory. Over here, see, they're in that tree way down there now. We'll walk down here and see. I see some of the vultures. But I've never seen them perched in a tree like that before. The spillway is high. There's one right there. The water's running really good. Beautiful out here today. Big old cranes or something right there. I've never seen so many birds before. Not different ones like this. I don't know what those are. Yeah, water's running high. Alright, y'all like this video, like, share, subscribe. Have a great day.